Number 2, old business, proclamation for Second Amendment. Chief, I'm going to give you the floor again.
So with the passing of 1639, I spoke with the mayor and I did a lot of research beginning in March. I put out the statement on our standpoint as a police department and how we would allocate resources and what we would do with response to a lot of concerns I was receiving from our community, both here in Monster and just people we've run into. We're not going to be actively seeking to enforce 1639, as I mentioned before. If we have a complaint that's made, we do the investigation, we'll send it to the prosecutor for review. The proclamation was brought up at the last meeting, asking the council to basically sign a proclamation confirming their support of the Second Amendment and the Constitution. And that's what tonight is for. And the Second Amendment, I've done a ton of research on it. I've spoken with the mayor about it. My personal beliefs aside, 1639 does impair, somebody's right to keep and bear arms in defense of themselves or the state. So this is a chance for all of you to voice your opinions and see what the city can do to support. And the city has a copy of the proclamation here in support of the Second Amendment. Can you read this, Mr. Mayor? Can you read this?
Yeah.
Okay. So, support of the Second Amendment to the United States Constitution. Whereas Article 1, Section 2 of the Washington State Constitution recognizes the Constitution of the United States as the supreme law of the land. Whereas the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States declares a well-regulated militia being necessary for the security of a free state, and the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Whereas Article 1, Section 24 of the Washington State Constitution recognizes and affirms the right of the individual citizen to bear arms in accordance with the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. And whereas the City of Morton sworn personnel have sworn an oath to support and uphold the Constitution of the United States as well as the Constitution of the State of Washington. Whereas the City of Morton has continuously supported the rights guaranteed under the Constitution of the United States, including the right to bear arms, the City of Morton affirms they will not assist, support, or condone any unconstitutional infringement of that right. Now therefore, the Mayor, Dan Mortensen, of the City of Morton, is hereby proclaimed that the City of Morton publicly acknowledges and reiterates the rights protected by the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America, as well as the rights protected by the Constitution of the State of Washington. The City of Morton recognizes that the first and last protectors of the United States Constitution are the people of the United States. The people are citizens of the City of Morton and Lewis County, Washington. Affirm this proclamation proclaimed this 24th day of June, 2019.
So, I will entertain the motion to approve our proclamation.
I make a motion, we approve our proclamation.
A second.
Motion made and seconded, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye. I oppose.
Okay. Motion carries. We will make this available to the gun club. They indicated that they would circulate that and affix lawful signatures to that, and that will be submitted to county commissioners and the state legislature.